or if you've never been to my channel, hello and welcome. So for today's video, I already made my costume, but I wanted to show you guys what I used to make it and how I made it, just so if you guys wanted to be cotton candy for Halloween, now you can. It's super easy anyways, so I'm sure you guys would understand like when I show you guys what I use and like how to do it. It's pretty simple. I did make it like last minute. I mean, it took me all day to make, but that's because I was kind of like running around and testing a lot of different stuff for it. Like I made it into a t-shirt at first, but the t-shirt was just like too big and I used like the wrong paint and it wasn't drying in time. So then I just did this and it was a whole lot faster and a whole lot easier. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look and if you want to know how to be a cotton candy man or woman for Halloween, then keep on watching this video. So today, well, not really today, well, I made my costume Thursday and I didn't really film it, but for this video I'm just gonna show you guys the stuff I used to make it. So then if you wanted to be a cotton candy for Halloween, now you know how to do it. So this is the top part, and this is just a old bralette I had, and honestly all you really need is hot glue and a hot glue gun, obviously. And these are just like the Up and Up brand from Target, super cheap. Glitter if you want. I like to use glitter a lot for projects because who doesn't like glitter? So if you can see in the back of this bralette, I just cut off a piece of cloth so that way this is like a straight kind of. You can use like a tube top or something, but like I was on a budget, so I just used what I had. This is some filling. You probably don't need this much, honestly. This was like on sale and I had a coupon, so I got the big one. This is the Polyfill 32 ounces B. So all I did was just hot glued on this piece of cloth, and I just hot glued on the Polyfill onto here. To make like the cotton candy pink, I used this matte color paint and primer spray. It's for wood, metal, plastic, glass, and more. Literally that's it. And then after that I had like spray glue, adhesive spray glue, and then I just sprinkled on some glitter, and that's how you get this. So as you can see, mine kind of came off throughout the night, which is fine by me. This is just like a denim skirt, and I just did the same thing I did to the top. Super simple, not much to it. So for props, I already had these pink party cups from my birthday party, and then I did the same thing. I just grabbed like a ball, sprayed it pink, put some glitter on it. You didn't have to spray like all around, and then all I did was just kind of fit it in there like that. We had like 8 more, but people kept pulling them off of the tray thinking it was real, like, hey, can we have one? And they just fucking take it off, and I'm like, they're not real cotton candy, but pff, go for it. So this is Nathan's props. He actually made this, and this was his idea. So it's just a white tray, and then he just wrote cotton candy on it with this fabric paint, which I'm surprised turned out really nice on here for him to like put it around his neck. As you can see, we tried like ribbon, but it wasn't very comfortable around his neck, so he just wrapped this around, tied this around, I mean. And this is just from Target. This is the heart, whatever these things are called, I don't know what they're called. And then he just hot glued these cups onto the bottom, and it was like quite a bit of them. Like I said, super easy, super quick. And that's how you become a cotton candy couple. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!